Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the application of dimensional analysis. This is the first application, that is conversion from one system of unit to another. That means if something is given into one system of unit, means CGS or MKS or any other unit system of unit, then we will be able to convert that particular unit in the other system of unit. One point you need to remember that any quantity is made up of numerical value and unit. Numerical value and unit. For example, velocity. Velocity of any vehicle will be, let us suppose, 10 kilometer per hour. 10 is the numerical value and kilometer per hour is the unit. It may be volume 5 meter cube, where 5 is the numerical value and meter cube is the unit. I hope you understood. Let us suppose Q1 is the quantity in one system, and N1 is the numeric value in that particular system, and U1 is the unit in that particular system. Q2 is what? Q2 is N2 and U2, numeric value in second system of unit, and U2 is the unit in the second system of unit. Because these are equal, the quantity is same, that means N1 U1 is equals to N2 U2. In place of U2 you can write, in place of U1 you can write M1 L1 M1 L1 T1, M1 to the power A, L1 to the power B, T1 to the power C is equals to N2 that is M2 to the power A, L2 to the power B and T2 to the power C. Powers are same. Why? Because velocity in let us suppose this is 5 kilometer per hour. Let us suppose this is 10 meter per second. Unit is same. Unit is different, but the dimension is same. Why? Because this is kilometer per hour. Kilometer is the dimension, kilometer is the length, and meter is also length. That means we can say that this is the dimension of length, that is L, and per hour. Per hour means per hour or per second. This is the dimension of time, that is T, means both will have same, both the units will have the same dimension. That's why we have taken power A, power B, power C, same power A, B, C. Units in the different system of unit will have same power. This is N1. If you need to calculate N2, that is equals to N1 times M1 upon M2 to the power A, L1 upon L2 to the power B, and T1 upon T2 to the power C, and N2 we need to calculate. This is the formula. I hope you are getting. After the solution of examples, you will be able to understand clearly what is the main concept. 1 joule into erg. First example is convert 1 joule into erg. Joule is in, you can say, MKS or SI, and erg is in the CGS. And basically we need to calculate SI into we need to convert SI into CGS. This is SI and this is CGS. In SI, joule is the unit of work. You know, work is what? Work is force multiplied by displacement. This is MLT. The dimensional formula of work is MLT, because this have MLT minus 1, sorry, MLT minus 2, and D displacement is L. On combining we will have ML squared T to the power minus 2. In place of mass, in SI, mass is 1 kilogram, that is 1000 gram. This is 1 gram. In place of length, this is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter. In place of time, what you will have? 1 second. This is also 1 second. And in SI it is given joule. In SI it is given, that means N1 is given, that is 1, and N2 is what? N2, that we need to calculate. Okay, put the values. N2 is equals to N1 times N1 is given 1, and M1. This is M1. This is M1. This is M2. M1 is what? 1000 upon M. M2 is what? 1 to the power A. Power of M is 1. Put the value 1. L1. This is L1 and this is L2. L1 is 100 upon 1, power L square means power 2, and T1 upon T2. T1 upon T2. T1 is 1, 1 is 1. This is T1 and this is T2. Power minus 2. On solving we will have 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 4 into 1, 4, 7, 10 to the power 7. It means N2 is equals to 10 to the power 7. We can say that 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg. Second example is, M1 is 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. L1 is 1 meter or 100 centimeter, and T1 is 1 second, N1 is 1 given. One thing you need to remember, that we can change in SI or in CGS. You can write M1 M2 in the same system of unit in SI or CGS. We have converted M1 into M2, like M2 is in CGS and M1 is in MKS. It is given. In place of M1 I have write that 1000 in gram, but if you don't want to write in gram, write in kilogram. M2 will be what? M2 will be what? 1 upon 1 gram. CGS is in gram, that means 1 upon 1000 kilogram. In place of meter, place 1 upon 100 meter. In place of 1 centimeter, you can write 1 upon 100 meter. This is what M1 is. M1 is 1, or M2. M2 is 1 upon 1000. Same, this will convert 1000, and again here 1, and M2, sorry, L2 is 1 upon, and T1 and T2 is same. After solving you will have 10 to the power 3, and after solving you will have 10 to the power 4, and after calculating you will have n is equals to 10 to the power 7. You can write in kilogram or gram, but both the unit must be same. Okay, let us solve example 2. Value of G in CGS 6.67 10 to the power minus 8 9 per centimeter square per gram square. Calculate in SI, means value of G we have to convert from CGS to SI, from CGS to SI, CGS to SI. In CGS, M1 is what? 1 gram. M2 is what? 1000 gram. L1 is what? 1 centimeter. L2 is what? 100 centimeter, and T1 is 1 second, and T2 is also 1 second, and N1 is given, that is 6.67 10 to the power minus 8, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, N2 that you need to calculate. Just put the value and get the answer, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, M1 upon M2, M1 upon M2. First, you need to remember that we are converting from CGS to SI. CGS should be 111, and SI will be 222. M1 upon M2, 1 upon 1000, and this is 1 upon 100, and this is 1 upon 1. Power M1 upon M2, power A is what? Minus 1, and L to the power 3, this is 3, and this is minus 2. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, this will be 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 2, this means 10 to the power minus 6, and after solving you will have what? This is minus 3, this is minus 11, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, this is Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is the answer. I hope you understood, and thanks for watching this video.